Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna go through different monetization updates from Facebook so you'll be able to play ads on your reels on Facebook so you'll be able to make a lot of money. Let's go over the requirements and the eligibility criteria over here. First thing first, this is the whole program. This is the new landing page from Facebook. Here you will get information about the new in-stream ads from Facebook. Let's click on the requirements and see how you can get qualified for. So in order to use the new ad system into your videos, you need to be at least 18 years old, okay? And live in the country eligible for in-stream ads. Let's go over the country list. So this is in-stream ads that are available in these countries. So all these countries, as you can see over here, guys, are actually falling under this new update. So if your country is one of these, you will be able to actually monetize and put ads into your videos. It will be similar as the one that we're seeing on YouTube, similar as the one that we're seeing in TikTok creativity program beta. Okay, the second requirement over here will be that you should have minimum of 5,000 followers. So your page on Facebook where you actually publishing your reels should have at least 5,000 followers and you should be at least 18 years old and your country where the page is registered, right? So I'm not sure that you can actually register a page from different country aside from the country that you're currently residing. Probably you can if you're using a VPN. Not quite sure about this though. You should advise with someone. But as you can see over here, the next eligibility requirement is that you should have 60,000 total minutes viewed in the last 60 days. So they're doing this simply to prevent bots monetize the content. Okay, they have a similar requirement for other programs. Remember, you should be active for the last 30 days in TikTok creativity program beta aside from the 10,000 followers. So here they don't include minutes viewed from cross-posted, boosted, or paid watch time. Meaning, if you publish something and then you share the same exact thing elsewhere, for example, on Twitter, and they see the traffic is coming from third-party website, they don't care. Meta is very, very strict with monetization. They are cutting monetization left and right. Remember, there was a bonus program last year on Christmas. If you just publish 3 videos, they're gonna give you like $100. I got $100, but then the program was like cut it. So they're very, very strict. They want to make sure that they're paying only people who are using their platform and their platform only. They don't care about other social media cross posting. The next requirement is that your page on Facebook has to have at least 5 active videos, which kind of easy. If you're having 5,000 followers, you most likely have more than 5 active videos. And also the videos can be on demand or previously live, but this does not include active cross-posted videos. Again, you want to make sure that you really follow the rules. You're not gonna cut corners with Facebook, obviously. The next eligibility requirement for live videos. So if you're a live streamer, right, if you stream videos, your main target of the eligibility criteria and play ads on your own live streams will be over here. So to qualify for this, you should have at least 10,000 followers on your Facebook page. Second requirement is to have 6,000 minutes viewed in the last 60 days. So everything is 10x over here as a requirements. You should have 600,000 total minutes, must include minutes viewed from live videos. So essentially, you understand that because you're a live streamer, right, all of your minutes watch time will be coming from live stream. So I believe that you can actually gain these minutes very easy, especially if you're doing long live streams like 3, 4, 5 hours, 6 hours, some live streams. The last requirement over here is that your Facebook page where you're publishing your reels or where you're doing your live streams, right, has to have at least 5 active videos, including at least 3 previous live videos, okay, that are created by you. This does not include active cross-posted videos. So again, on top of the 5 regular active videos on your Facebook page, you should have at least 3 live streams published. So how much money you could actually make? I believe that's the biggest question over here. So I read plenty of feedback from a lot of people that have been using it so far. So I'm seeing that some people are making between like $3,000 to $4,000 a month, and this is based on having 50, 60, 70,000 views. And I mean, these people are posting every single day, 3 to 5 videos a day. And again, everything that I saw so far is like entertaining. So some of the people are actually making like compilation videos of this, fallouts. Probably you've seen these people, falling left and right, these stupid videos compilation on Facebook Reels. So this is how you can actually do it. If you are coming from country that is eligible, if you have 5,000 followers, if you had more than 5 videos and you have a regular watch time, well, I believe you can actually qualify and play ads on your videos. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.